Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to factory reset MacBook. Let's start the video. First and most important thing, back up your data. Before resetting, the most important step is to back up your data. For backup, you can use your iCloud. Open your system preferences, open your Apple ID, and you can see here iCloud drive is selected. Now click on this option. You can see everything is checked. Now you can use a time machine as well for the backup. This time machine, and you can use external hard drives as well to take backup of your MacBooks, because once we reset the Mac, everything will be deleted permanently. Now second step, sign out of your account. Open system preferences again and see here your Apple ID. Open your Apple ID. Now overview and click on sign out and keep a copy. Enter your password here of your Apple ID and then click on continue. Also sign out from iMessages here or FaceTime as well. This helps avoid activation issues later. Now let's come to the factory reset mode. For that, first you have to shut down your Mac. When you press your power button of your MacBook to start your Mac, immediately press Command plus R button. Just hold it for a second. Command plus R button until you see your Apple icon. As you can see the Apple icon on my screen. It takes few minutes. Now when you see a new examining volume, just leave your Command plus R button, and you can see on the bottom here disk utility on the new pop-up. Just select the disk utility and click on continue here. Now you can see here your hard drive on your left side. Just select your macOS volume here on the top. And now you can see here erase button. Click on erase button. Now select your format, APFS or whatever you want. Just click on the erase button and your MacBook will be reset. After finishing of your format, you have to reinstall your OS version. The OS version which will show on your Mac. I have to install Monterey. Just select this version and click on continue here. Then your macOS version will be installed. That's it. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.